dárò parí aṣọ ilẹ̀ kò tètè nípa ìkàlẹ́nu mọ́ ajá ìgbà òun kọjá ìwé ọmọ àwọn ojú Olódùmarè ṣe gbá fún lọ́wọ́ ayé dákúgbà ìlú ilẹ̀ àwa lórí ilẹ̀ ẹni bá dalẹ̀ abálẹ̀ lọ òfin.
all security aids. That's please take your seats.
Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, please shall we all rise?
Present, our royal fathers. Yes, no. May I once again acknowledge the presence of His Excellency the Governor of the State, Otumba Beng. We also have the Deputy Governor of Ondo State present here. It's ṣe pé ẹ̀dáríjì mi. A ní bàbá wa ọ̀rọ̀ tí Ìjẹ̀ṣà la wà níbí Iléṣà. Ẹ bá mi ṣe ká. Ketu wọ́n wà níbi ẹ bá mi ṣe kábíyèsí o. Ẹ bá mi ṣe kábíyèsí o. Ìlókò wọ́n wà níbi ẹ bá mi ṣe kábíyèsí. Wọ́n máa pè wọ́n bí ètò yìí ṣe ń lọ kí a lè ṣe torí àmọ́ wípé ẹ ní ẹ̀sìn wọn dúpẹ́. A máa dárúkọ sí bí a ṣe ń tẹ̀síwájú torí ètò ó ṣe pọ̀ nílẹ̀. Ẹja kí ni ìbòlẹ̀. Hubert Ogunde, can we have a big round of applause for him? A ṣe ìwúre báyìí. Ẹni tí ó sì bá wa ṣe ìwúre náà, àwọn náà ni bàbá wa kí wọ́n máa bọ̀ wájú báyìí. Ẹ bá mi pa nípa ọ̀pọ̀ ṣe kábíyèsí fún ọdún ọ̀ṣẹ́ pọ̀ wájú bàbá wa ẹ̀jẹ̀ máa bọ̀ wájú báyìí. Ẹ bá mi pa nípa ṣe kábíyèsí lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. Ẹjọ́ máa rọ̀ bàbá wa gbọ́dọ̀ báyìí. Ẹjọ́ máa rọ̀.
Mo kí àwọn bàbá wa lọ́balọ́ba, mo sì kí gómìnà wa Ọ̀túnba Dání àti bàbá wa gómìnà Ọ̀ṣun Oyèlọ́lá àti gómìnà Ọ̀yọ́. Bàbá wa àwọn bàbá lọ́balọ́ba mo kí gbogbo wa. Wọ́n ní àgbọ̀dọ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣíṣe kankan lórúkọ bàbá wa Ọba Tògúndé kí a máa ṣe ìwúre. Wọ́n ní ká ta ọtí díẹ̀ sílẹ̀, ká ta díẹ̀ sẹ́nu, títílẹ̀ kó má pọ̀ ju tẹ́nu lọ. Wọ́n lòun dá fún ọ̀pọ̀ àpàlàgà tí ìṣọ̀lọ́ tí a bẹ̀rẹ̀. Wọ́n ní kíkú má pa kúlágbè lápẹ́ ọkọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kọ̀lágbè, kíkú má pa kúlágbè ọmọ ọlọ́tí apẹ kúlágbè màríò. Ata ọtí sílẹ̀ lónìí. Gómìnà wa gbọ́pẹ́ o, gbogbo àwọn gómìnà wa gbọ́pẹ́ o. Bàbá wa Ọ̀nìrìsà àti gbogbo àwọn ọba gbọ́pẹ́ o. Bàbá wa Ọba Tògúndé, ifá kan náà tún sọ nínú rẹ̀ tẹ̀lé jù. Ó ní pé ìgbà tí Ọ̀rúnmìlà dé ìlú kan, ó rí àwọn eku. Wọ́n ní kí lorúkọ yín? Wọ́n ló eku. Ó ní wàá máa jẹ́ ẹmú, wàá máa jẹ́ àwùsàn. Ó sọ fún wọn lórúkọ. Ó dé ìlú igi, kí lorúkọ ní igi? Ó sọ wọn lórúkọ. Wọ́n wá dé ilé èèyàn, ó sọ wọn lórúkọ náà. Wọ́n wá pàdúrà pé irú eku kó máa mú, irú ẹja kó máa ra, irú ènìyàn kó máa máa ra ọ, èjì ẹlẹ́rìí rẹ̀ gbà wá o. Irú eku kó máa mú, irú ẹja kó máa mú, irú ènìyàn kó máa mú, èjì ẹlẹ́rìí rẹ̀ gbà wá o. Irú bàbá wa Ọba Tògúndé kò ní irun nílẹ̀ wa. Irú àwọn bàbá wa Ọ̀nìrìsà, bàbá wa Ọ̀sẹ̀màwé àti bàbá wọn ní irun nílẹ̀ wa. Irú àwọn bàbá wa gómìnà wa Dédé wọn ní irun nílẹ̀ wa. Gbogbo àwọn aṣáájú wa, àwọn máa ní aṣáájú rere ni tó bàbá wa.
Kẹ́mi ilé kò sọ̀rọ̀ nígbà tí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ nígbà wọn ní ẹ̀kọ́ tó ti dẹ̀ wọ́n ṣàgbéyẹ̀ gbà wọ́n ti náà fi kóra wọn jẹ́ ilé ìyá ilé bàbá nípa kan tó wá bí ẹ̀rí jí. Olùkàrẹ́ ti Ìkàrẹ́, àwọn agbẹ́tù ti Màlẹ́, ẹ bá mi ṣe kábíyèsí gbogbo wọn yé o. Ẹ̀sìn òun torí àkókò ni. We will be going on straight to the program proper. Ẹ̀dàmúlẹ̀.
Ṣàngó gbé Ṣàngó ìyanu rẹ ni mò ń fẹ́ wọn fẹ́jà rẹ arábá bí arígbó kàṣẹ́gun. Ẹgbẹ́ ní Ṣàngó ẹgbẹ̀rún abẹ́ ẹgbẹ́. Ẹgbẹ́ ní Ṣàngó ẹgbẹ̀rún abẹ́ ẹgbẹ́. Ẹgbẹ́ ní Ṣàngó ẹgbẹ̀rún abẹ́ ẹgbẹ́. Kọ̀sọ́lódodo kọ̀sọ́lódodo ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ wo yóò kọ́.
We're talking about one man, let's give out Ogunde, who has done so much that he has been able to pass this on from one generation to the other. Let me say this. The big chunk of the cast of that performance are young students of our own Olabisi Onabanjo University of Africa. University Performing Arts Department. They deserve a big round of applause. Now, we feel excited that we have in one man a government that has a very clear vision of what he wants our youth to become. And we feel very proud about this. I'd like to give a big round of applause, of course, to Sir Alex Onabanjo for the total support he's had for this project. He deserves a big round of applause. Can I have the house lights? Can I have the house lights? Can I have the house lights, please? Briefly. Now, these young ones, sir, they are making a little appeal. They want their department to be a full-fledged department. It's just an appeal by them because they have all the energy it takes to keep it going. Please give it to them. Please give it to them. Because of the Ogunde family, the entire clan is an entire clan from Ososa. Actually, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm sure God will be very happy with him. The man has effectively increased the population of poor OGT. Sorry. But we'll move on to the family speech quickly. May I invite Mrs. Sumbo Bademosi, to deliver a very short family speech. The family press on. They are not angry. Please.
Our chief host, Excellency, Otunga Akuyekana, the Executive Governor of Your Excellencies, members of the State Executive Council, state senior government officials, And why do we need to celebrate the launch? Why do we need to celebrate and launch musical works? Well, it is to remind all of us that although Chief Hubert Ogunde was most widely known as a theatre guru, he was also a great musician. He recorded over 95 soundtracks, which has now been compiled into 13 audio CDs. Secondly, to remember his admonition and encouragement at troubling times in the history of our great nation, and its relentless fight against injustice and oppression of our people. A short trip in time will highlight and remind us of the songs and the meaning in which they were sung. Although Chief Ogunde turned professional in March 1946, by October of the same year, his theatre was banned and he was fined £125 in Jos for staging a play titled Strike and Hunger. This was the lead song of the play called Ojimo, which complains bitterly about the suffering of our people. It is a compilation which we are not choosing. And this was also during the colonial era. In 1950, the theatre was banned again in Kano for staging the play Bread and Bullets. He was charged for sedition, although this charge was later dropped, and was fined again for fighting our colonial masters. The main song, Awayo Gwajaga, is also included in these complete works. Of course, the most popular band of March 1964 was for staging the play Yoruba at Akoko Ibadan. But luckily for prosperity, he recorded the entire play on 2 albums. The record and the play Yoruba, as well as all the songs of the era, Otitokoro, Yoruba Tikokiaga, Tiwara Niben, Awomimo, Awolowo Kwabo, and Ojo Ayosumole are all part of this great compilation. Remember his songs like Keep Nigeria One, Amoto Jawa, Ogunpari during the Nigerian Civil War, as well as Onimoto in 1971, when Nigeria turned to driving on the right, are all part of the compilation. All these songs indicate how we commented on virtually all significant and social developments in Nigeria. How we wish we still have singers who are social critics fighting the cause of the good people of our nation. I am sure most of us will still remember his song titled Murtala Mohammed, Ibrahim Taiwo, and Akintunde Anishewa, which were released after the coup plot in 1976 and the assassination of Nigeria's beloved military head of state. We can go on and on about his song on virtually every topical social issue, from public execution of armed robbers, Kenyisogun, to indecent persons, Ibatonde. But luckily for all of us, they are all in this great compilation, which completes musical works of this theatre genius, preserved for prosperity, and never to forget how we got here. It is important to inform you that the proceeds of this launch will be added to the donations from the unveiling of Chief Hubert Ogunde's monument in Ososai in July 2009 for the resuscitation of the Hubert Ogunde Gateway Field Village, and in partnership with Ogun State Tourism and Development Board. The overall plan of the HOFB on a 30-acre land donated by the Ogunde family and people of Ososa has already been made, and the proposed budget for the first phase of the field village prepared. In fact, work is expected to commence for the movie shoot before the end of this year. museum will actually be housed in the house and building where he spent the last 10 years of his life. Your Excellencies, all other protocols observed, these are the reasons why we are here. We welcome you all and thank you for coming.
Distinguished guests and our royal fathers, we have come to that point. We are about to launch the complete musical works of Chief Hubert Ogunwusi. Please let's put it together for the man. Let's put it together for the man. We told you we are not going to keep it any longer than necessary. I will therefore be to please kindly step out and as well as launch the complete works of late Chief Hubert Ogunwusi. Please let's put it together for him. Let's put it together.
late Chief Robert Ogunde. This park, I am told, is originally put together right in Great Britain, and I'm informed that this park will go for 10,000 naira. Of course, as the government of Ogun State, we are going to purchase several of these which we will use as gift items. And I have no doubt in my mind that when my colleagues also have an opportunity, they will even do much more. Let us give a loud round of applause. That these are the ones that are described as golden. There are 4 of them immediately available. I think I will give my own first. Your Excellencies, please go and give this one to Kábíyèsí the Ọọ̀ni of Ife. Minimum price for this golden pass is 500,000 naira. Our dear princess, please go and give this to Kábíyèsí the award of Ìdòwú Iléyá. Èmi ọ̀pá lójijì. This one, that is a carnival of Ramadan.
Okay.
Now it is the turn of the very big masquerades, His Excellencies, first and foremost, the Executive Governor of Osun State. And then the package and the person who delivered the package. Your Excellency, the Governor of Ekiti State, package only, not his deliverer. His Excellency, the Governor of Ondo State will have this one. Person only, not the deliverer. Let's take the reminder of us that the minimum target of this one is 500,000. And I know that His Excellencies will pay for their own royal fathers. Let us also appreciate the person who coordinated all of this. After that, I will go and sit down so that I can also deliver my own. And I will decide as the governor whether it will be passed away October and let's talk about your place.
Listen, I have the instruction of His Excellency the Governor of Ogun State that his brother Governor of Oyo State must take one. He's just been informed that his representative is here and is ironically a man of the theatre. Papa Adebayo Faleti is representing the Governor of Oyo State. He will please take that to the Governor of Oyo State's representative. Thank you. Bring it down. Can I have the house lights on, please? Wanting to stress this, each of these parks that are available now, you're talking about the complete musical works of let you give out a loan there. Each of these goes for 10,000 naira, and you can pick them up here together. The treasure box that His Excellency handed over to our fathers and their excellencies. When we are starting with our fathers, is at least 500,000 naira each. These are things you're going to keep forever. And I pray that the British do not invade here again so that they won't carry this treasure away. For their excellencies, of course, I cannot put a price. They know what it is worth. So please, for each of these treasure packs, 500,000 naira, 10,000 naira each of these, please. To sing, particularly where our fathers are seated here, it is important that we should do some reflections. But before the actors come on stage, which is the final thing for our fathers, can I have the representative of the Ogunde family to say a very brief thank you? Who is the representative of the Ogunde family to step out and say thank you in 1 minute?
Come on. So, we're going to say something. We're going to have my head inside the mouth. We'll also hear what we're doing. God bless you. Your Excellency says, how do we thank you? For reality, you're walking yourself. Tí bàbá ti lọ, tí a ṣì rántí ẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbàdúrà àwọn ọmọ rántí àwọn náà fẹ́ tí ìyá àgbà. I cannot understand our dear governor. Thank you very much. But you know, even for people who went to school, there is the university aspect of everything. We will see about that. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for coming.
And now, finally, the entertainment of our fathers is time for all Yorubas here. Láti Yorùbá. I hope. At this point, their excellencies, our royal fathers will take their leave. But please remember, the screening of Aropetenio is going to happen now. So for those who are still here, please wait and watch. Once again, can we have the national anthem for our excellencies and for our royal fathers that are here?
happen to be a son. I'm the second son of late Chief Hubert Ogunde.
Thank you. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you very much.
I must congratulate you because you belong to the Ogunde family.
Okay.
The icon, the Ogun State, and the entire Nigerians celebrating today. Sir, why has it taken the family so long, 20 years after the death of this for this?
Well, let me first say something very clearly. When you want to make a plan and you have a big plan, it is better you give it time to mature. You will notice that last year we first unveiled the monuments. This year we have released all his audio. Before the end of the year, we want to start reviving the film village. So when you talk about time, time is not as important as to what use you put that time to. You need to make proper plans. Now, if we had rushed into doing it, we would not have been able to do it so properly. So, if you saw the program, those dancers alone, the troupe that performed today were 45 in number. So you can imagine putting something like that together. And you know our people, once it is not 5 years or 10 years or 15 years or 20 years, you hardly get people celebrating with you. So why we wait is we did the 10 years, we did the first 1 year, we performed the play, Deji. The 10 years, we did the same thing. But now we want to put something permanently on the ground, revive the film village, and build a museum where you have all his things in. And we've been in his estate in Osasa. So it becomes a complete tourist center. With the monuments, you go to the museum, you go to the film village. So it took a long time to really plan and see this through.
Sir, Yoruba will say,
Yeah. Yeah.
Please tell me, how many of you, the children, things happen?
You see, one thing about him is that he gives you the room to choose your own path, because his own father wanted him to remain a teacher, but he loved the theater. So he allowed all the children to choose their own path. I am a geologist by profession. I worked with an oil company for 35 years, rose to become the executive director of a multinational company, and I retired last year. So I can use it now as a part-time, something that I love to do. My brothers that are